Most people have a bank account. But here's the question. Are you using the right one? Checking account. Savings account. They sound simple, but using them the wrong way can cost you money, slow your growth, and keep you financially stuck. Today, I'll show you the real difference between checking and savings accounts in the simplest way possible. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use both the smart way. What is a checking account? A checking account is for spending. It is designed for paying bills, using a debit card, withdrawing cash, everyday transactions. This is your movement account. Money goes in, money goes out. It's built for activity. That's why it usually pays little or no interest, has unlimited transactions, connects to debit cards. Think of your checking account like your wallet, but digital. What is a savings account? A savings account is for storing. It is designed for emergency funds, future goals, large purchases, stability. This is your pause account. Money sits here. It grows slowly through interest. Savings accounts usually pay interest, limit withdrawals, encourage saving. Think of it like a safe, not for daily use, for protection. The biggest mistake people make? Most people use one account for everything. Salary goes in, bills go out, savings stay in the same place. That creates confusion, and confusion leads to overspending. When your savings sit in your checking account, it doesn't feel like savings. It feels like available money, and available money gets spent. How checking accounts really work. Checking accounts are built for speed. You swipe your card, the money moves instantly. You set up automatic payments, money leaves automatically. That convenience is powerful. But it can also be dangerous, because fast spending means fast mistakes. Checking accounts are not designed to grow wealth. They are designed to move money. How savings accounts really work. Savings accounts slow you down. Sometimes, transfers take time, withdrawals are limited. There may be penalties for too many withdrawals. That friction is intentional. It protects your money from you. And that small interest rate? It may look small, but over time it compounds. Savings accounts reward patience. Interest, why it matters. Checking accounts usually pay 0% to very low interest. Savings accounts pay more, especially high-yield savings accounts. Interest means the bank pays you for keeping money there. It's not huge, but it's better than zero. When to use checking? Use checking for rent, groceries, subscriptions, daily spending, short-term expenses. This account should hold 1 to 2 months of expenses. Not your life savings, not your emergency fund, just operating money. When to use savings? Use savings for emergency fund, 3 to 6 months expenses, vacation goals, down payment, big purchases, money that is not needed daily belongs here. This creates separation, and separation creates discipline. The smart setup? Here's the simple strategy. Salary goes into checking. Automatically transfer a portion to savings. Leave it there. Repeat every month. Make saving automatic, not emotional. If you wait until the end of the month to save, you will save what's left. And usually, nothing is left. Emergency fund rule? Your savings account should first build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Why? Because life is unpredictable. Job loss, medical bills, car repairs. Without savings, you rely on debt. Savings give you power. Why this matters? Using checking and savings correctly reduces stress, prevents overdraft fees, protects your future, builds financial discipline. It's not about having more money. It's about managing money better. 2 accounts, 2 purposes, 1 system. Now here's the real question. If an emergency happened tomorrow, would your savings handle it, or would you reach for a credit card? Think about that, because small financial systems create big financial results.